Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Rar and Zip file packing and unpacking app on your Vivo Y76 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write RAR and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. And after the installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app. We'll need to grant its all file access, so right here locate RAR and then press on it. Now allow access to manage all files and go back to the app. Dismiss this and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.